What's up, y'all? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your email on your iPhone. Whether it's another iCloud email, Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, or any other third-party email, you're covered. Alright, let's get into it. First thing, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down till you see Apps, then tap it. Now find and tap the Mail app. Once you're in, tap on Mail Accounts. Next up, hit Add Account. Now type in your email address and tap Next up in the corner. You might see a message saying something like, Google needs you to sign in using a web browser. No sweat, just tap Open Browser. Go ahead and log in to your email account, hit Next, type in your password, and tap Next again. If you've got two-step verification turned on, go through the extra steps to approve the login. You might get a pop-up on your phone or tablet. Just hit Approve. After that, you'll see a screen asking if iOS can access your Google account. Tap Continue. Now, make sure the mail toggle is turned on and then hit Save at the top. Boom, you're done! Your email is now hooked up in the Mail app. Open the Mail app and you'll see that new email account showing up and ready to roll. You can run through the same steps to add more third-party email accounts too. If stuff ain't working or you're getting some kind of service sign-in error, check out the separate tutorial I linked in the video description. Drop a comment below and let me know how it went for ya. Don't forget to like the vid and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips coming your way. Peace.